All right, now we're going to work on this last page, which is the contact us page. And before we can work on that, we need to do a little bit of cleaning house because the contact us page is still our client page, which is what we were going to name our portfolio page. So let's go into edit pages and see what this looks like. Now remember, we've got tab 1, which is home page, tab 2, which is services page, tab 3, which is our About Us page, and tab 4, which is supposed to be our Contact Us page, but it's still our client page. Tab 5 is actually the page that we want to use for Contact Us. So we're going to have to do a little bit of rearranging. So on tab 4, I'm going to just get it out of the way. So I'm going to take tab 4 and I'm going to click this button right here and rename it. This is going to be our portfolio page. So that's actually what I'm going to rename it, is portfolio. And I'm going to click rename. And now it's disappeared. It's not a tab anymore. And then this tab right here, I want it to be tab 4, this page right here. So I'm going to go rename, and I'm going to rename it tab 4 and click rename. And now it's actually in the tab 4 space, which is great. And those are the 4 pages I need, which is the home page, services, about us, and then contact us, which is great. That's exactly what we need. So now let's talk about changing the contact us page. First of all, this particular page is not the way I like it. It's just a menu of other pages to go to, and I want it to be an actual contact page. So I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to go up here to where it says convert page, and I'm going to click that, and we're going to choose a page that is specifically an about us page, or contact us page. So I'm going to choose about us. I'm going to highlight it and click convert. And now what I've got is a really nice page that actually has all of your contact information and even a little bit about you. So here's how you change the information on this page. You actually just click company name, and you can type in your company name right here. So there you go. And then it changes it right there, which is great. And then email address. So I'm going to type in my email address. And then you also have to change it down here where it has the old email address. You're going to put your new one in. And then your physical address. So on the physical address, you want to type in your exact address. So my exact address. And then you want to do the same thing right here, right after those forward slashes. So I'm going to just highlight all this and put my address. And then click OK. And then for the phone number, you do the same thing. Just click on telephone number and put your number in there. And then down here, you're going to do the same thing. Take those zeros out. Great. Click OK. And then your website address. So you'll click right here and put your website address in. And then click OK. And then you can change the About Us information. This right here is a little bit harder to do because it's hard to see it all. So what I would do is I would type it up first in a text document like Notepad, and then copy and paste it in here so that you can, it's easier to do that way for sure. And then click OK when you're finished. And then once you get everything in there, you just click Save, because of course save is your friend, and then Done. And here's what's going to happen is when you click the email address, do you see how it highlights when I hover it? On your mobile device, when your user clicks it, it will bring up an email box, and they can immediately start typing you a message and click send, and it will send to the correct email address. On address, if your user clicks it, they just tap it. It will take them to a map to show them exactly where that address is at. And then it will actually allow them to select get directions, and they can get turn-by-turn directions, which is really exciting. And then the telephone number, if the user clicks this, a box will pop up and it'll ask them to call now or cancel. and they can click call now and it will actually dial the number for them. And then of course the website address, if they click that, it'll take them to the web page to see the web page. And then you've got your About Us information. So this is a great About Us page. So that's how you get your About Us page up and running. So we now have all 4 of our pages, the home page, the services page, the About Us page, and the contact page, which is great. And remember, we changed the About Us page in the previous video, so it might look a little bit different than what this one does here. But that's all the pages that you need to change. All of the other pages are hidden for now. We won't delete them because we can keep them there. And as you make changes to the website, you can actually put links in there or create new tabs. And these pages may become important for you to use. So we'll just leave them there. But that's all you need to do to get your application ready and up and running.